Oh shit!
Hi. No, 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 no. No, what is that? The heck's wrong with the...
City.
No,
The city, bro.
no, 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 no.
Where is everybody?
The heck are you?
I'm not city, bro.
But yeah, I do remember you.
No, Ronnie, no, no. This is...
Goodbye.
I was giving you a whole bunch of...
Oh my god. No, I'm not trying to tag you.
Boys and the cosmetics just, I was like, well, I feel like I remember this guy. Let me out of here. Come here.
No. What is that? No.
Guys, come to city.
What the heck?
What? That sounds like...
You tag me. No, you're...
Wait, we have...
No, what is that though? No, hurry, hurry, bro. I'm running away. Hurry, bro. Go, go, go. I don't know what the heck is that. No. What the heck is that? What the heck is that? No, is that G6790?
She said it's too big.
That is what she said.
Guys, did you hear that? Bro, guys, did you hear that?
Yes.
Bro, that was creepy, bro.
Guys, where are you guys?
What are you doing?
I'm changing my cosmetics real quick.
Hey,
Bubble machine.
play some crates.
There's someone trying to report us. Stop! 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 Stop!
Well, obviously I have the bubble gun, bro. It's like the rarest I have. Like the best cosmetic I have.
So who's Tagger?
Who the heck are you, bro? Who the heck are you? Are you gonna ban me? Nope, 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 nope.
I'll go that way.
Nah, bros. Nah, bros. Do malfunctioning.
You goo.
Are you gonna? If you're real, then kick me. No, 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 no.
Lava.
Okay.
Oh.
Yeah.
Nope. No. Nope.
Furry 6. He's fakes.
No, he's real. He's real. Nah, bro's real.
Furry.
You're a furry.
I hate furries.
And you're mean. You're gonna get tagged for
I'm going to
Tag
forest.
him.
Go to forest.
Why? No, go to that.
Hi.
That monkey that is doing that Morse code. Wait, he's doing Morse code.
Haha, you got... You left. Haha. Haha. Haha, you got killed.
You good, bro?
Haha, for me.
I'm
Yeah.
surprised I found you again.
Yeah, that's weird.
Yep.
How do we end
Yep,
up in
yep,
the same
yep.
code? It's basically we meet again.
We meet again.
Yeah. Not yet.
So where are we going? Wait, were you the one that killed dogs? Someone else. Bro, purple. Purple. You the one that killed dogs. Purple.
Yeah.
Purple.
Yeah.
Someone killed dog yesterday, and then when I
That
went
was
over
me
there,
by accident.
you gave him something that wasn't a dog. You gave him a puppy. He was
I
supposed
know,
to be.
I'm sorry.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit.
V.
What are you doing here?
Me with my
Hey,
clap his ass.
It's time to crop his ass.
Come.
Hey, yo.
Whose ass are you clapping?
I'll show you my goofiest laugh. I'm gonna say my goofiest laugh.
Is that you clapping?
No. Max? It was not me. It was cat. It was cat clapping.
No,
Yeah, you were clapping.
I was clapping dog.
Oh my god.
Just getting started.
I didn't know a cat would clap a dog.
Dog. I said dog.
No.
Wow, man.
Dog.
Stop. Oh, fuck you. What the?
Bro, baby, you suck.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you.
Okay, I'm not real PvP.
Oh my god, my arm hurts
No,
right
he's
now.
back.
I'm literally
He's back.
holding on to this thing.
Oh, you thought.
How do you do that? My uncle came to
You suck.
How do I do what?
able to walk on top of these.
Oh, cat! Cat, I can tag you! Let me tag you, this cat. Yay!
Wait, where's Doug? I need to have a serious...
Doug is doing
Cat,
Kitty?
Mr. Peace!
Purple. Yeah.
Kind of like the bot I met last week.
Speed plus. Proceed.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
No, where's Doug? I need to have a serious talk with him and see how.
He's dead.
Oh, so I did.
That's that guy. No, but don't call him a friend, bro.
Oh my god, it's just a random little kid. It's even worse. It's a kid.